Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers. Cheap Martinez local and long-distance movers near me. With the right moving company handling your long-distance move, you'll have nothing to worry about. Our team will help you move across state lines or even across the country. We also offer many additional long-distance moving services, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Figuring out how to rationalize the cost of hiring a Georgia moving company may not be easy. However, one look at the main benefits might be enough to understand what you're getting for the cost. You will save a ton of time as your local Martinez movers will load up the truck, transport your things, and unload directly into your new location. You can even hire us to pack and unpack for you. Plus, you'll have professionals taking care of all the heavy lifting for you. When you don't want to recruit friends to help you move, hiring 3 movers offers a better solution. We streamline the moving process and make moving day a breeze. It might take you a week to pack up and move, but for us, we can get it done in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Martinez moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.